isda na niluto ko kahapon. So, iwan natin yung kandila. Narinig niya si Indy. Pag nakikita yung daddy niya, tawag niya talaga. So, ang cute niya. Nakabihis ako kasi ako yung magdadrop sa mga bata. You're having mandarin again today. Finish it again, okay, please? Thank you. So, yung dadalhin ko ngayon, si Arlo lang at saka si Ayla. Iwan si daddy with Indy. Kasi nga, injured yung dudong natin, guys. Gusto ko lang ako mag-drop off today kasi they will pick a Father's Day present sa school. Malapit na kasi Father's Day dito sa Australia this coming weekend. And yung school nila, ang galing ng school nila kasi pwede kang mag-purchase ng gift. Tapos, the kids get to pick their gifts for their dad. Kasi Father's Day ngayon. So, they do it during Mother's Day as well. So, para may mabigay na regalo yung mga bata. Last Mother's Day, Ayla didn't get to do it kasi kailangan samahan ng parent. And nung hinatid siya ni Dan, sinabi ng teacher sa kanya na, pwede na kayong pumunta dun sa shop para makapick sa Ayla ng Mother's Day present. Dan couldn't do it because meron siyang appointment. So, Daddy was busy. Daddy was very busy. Hindi kasi siya aware. Akala niya yung mga bata lang yung pupunta. Kung aware lang siya, ipupush niya sana yung appointment niya. So, hindi nakakuha ng gift si Ayla, hindi siya nakapili. So, this time, I don't think sasamahan pa siya kasi na siya, reception na siya. Preschool pa kasi siya noon, so kailangan samahan ng parents. This time, sasamahan ko siya kahit hindi naman na kailangan. Kasi nag-purchase din ako for Arlo. So, si Arlo yung kailangan samahan. So, sabi ko, ako na lang yung pupunta para kay Ayla at saka kay Arlo din. Ito yung isa sa mga lunch ni ate. It's puff pastry, tapos nilagyan ko ng hotdog sa loob at saka cheese. Hindi ito lahat yung sa kanya. Niluto ko lang kasi lahat. Ito din yung lunch niya kahapon. Nagustuhan niya inubos niya. Yung iba is for dudong later. Tingnan niyo naman tong baby natin. Big baby naman yan. Ay! Kumakain ng toast, oh. Hindi? Yummy toast? Hindi na to nagmi-milk sa gabi. I mean, yung last milk niya is before bedtime. Tapos, hindi na siya nagmi-milk. So, papunta na talaga tong ganyan na talaga. Papunta na talaga tong puro solid food, no? Na? Sus, baby, malapit ko na mag-1 mala. Buyag-buyag mo niyan, aking chubby cheeks, ay. Daddy will look after you, okay? Kasi ang galing uminom. Yummy. Sus, kabuyag, hindi. Yummy water. Nakabihis na dudong ko. Ready na din siya umalis. Okay. Maya na tayo doon. I'll get kuya. Hello! Yes. Oh, we got to go outside. No, don't bring your transformer. What else? Just sit here for a bit, okay? All done? All done, boys? Wow, Daddy.
See you guys.
See you, Daddy.
Go back, Anna.
Bye to Daddy.
Goodbye, Dad. Goodbye, Dad. Mommy.
Daddy's picking you up again. Right, be good.
Dad.
You guys want to park at the front or at the back?
Front. The front.
Alright, I don't know if we can find a car park there. We'll see.
Wait, Sylvie. Do you want to learn how to go on the monkey bug and not work at night? When you're full? Yes, go bum. Yes.
Oh shoot,
And now
that's the door.
You help me in the monkey boss bug.
I will help you.
In the monkey boss. And mommy, when I'm 6, I'm not gonna be 7 or what? Mommy?
7.
Yeah. Mommy, you gotta help me in the monkey ball.
I will.
When I was 7, I'm on NBA.
Yep.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
are you gonna help me in the monkey ball?
I will, yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, babe.
That's been the whole wide world.
You're the best boy in the whole wide world.
I will buy you some the food.
Oh, man.
I will buy a big
Umbrella.
and I will buy me the big Hulk stereo. Then make it moves.
Alala ko tuloy yung sasakyan may
And
umbrella.
know me.
Binili kasi may umbrella. Sana all. Ay, Diyos ko Lord.
Mommy?
What's happening to the world, Mama?
Mommy,
Yes, baby?
I love you. This big.
Aw, I love you,
I love you this
boys.
big. I love you this big, mommy.
I love you.
I
This
love you
big,
this big.
guys. This big. So big.
Why you? No, I can't see your other hand.
Mate, I'm driving. So, punta ako doon nang hindi ko alam talaga kung anong mangyayari. Hindi kasi nila sinabi kung kailangan ba samahan ng mga bata. I don't think kailangan samahan ng mga bata na ni Ayla. But kung kailangan, at least ako yung kasama, hindi si daddy niya, di ba? Kasi malalaman ng daddy niya kung kukunin niya.
Mommy, I want to go open his yogurt. That's why I'm giving him mine.
Yeah.
And I already opened it.
Yeah.
And I'm holding it for him. I think that's his one.
Ay, naku. Pwede ka bang mag-park dyan? Bakit ka naka-park dyan?
Good job.
Itong mga
I got
tao
wheel.
talaga. Yellow line
Where's my
yan.
jacket? Where's my jacket? It's on the floor.
Ang cute nitong buboy ko. Kasi kapag kinakarga ko siya, guys, papuntang toilet, sabihin niya, Mommy, thank you for looking after my broken leg.
Yeah.
Just the maturity, the emotional maturity of my kids is just really good. Nakaka-amaze.
Father Anthony. Here's Father Anthony.
That's the priest.
Yummy.
Oh my gosh, I need petrol. Huwag kaya nating i-petrol tong sasakyan ko. Tingnan natin kung andar pa ba. Hindi pa namin na-try. Yung ano nito. Hybrid kasi daw to eh. Pero hindi pa namin na-try na wala siyang gasolina. So I don't completely understand. But...
Sorry.
Oh guys, I painted my nails yesterday. I painted my toenails. Yung toenails ko lang talaga sana yung gusto kong i-paint. Tapos pininturahan ko na din yung aking kamay. What? Ano siya? Gel polish. Oy! Hello? Hello, what do you say? Yeah, it's not safe.
I saw green bird. I saw green bird. It was there, and then now flew away. Flew away. When it fell down like this. And now it's up there. And now it's dead. What is it?
Alright guys, let's go.
That.
Auntie Anne's!
Mommy, look, I don't put in the pram.
I will put you in the pram, mate. I can't hold you the whole time. That's okay.
Okay.
That's Auntie
Don't push
Anne's.
me.
I can see Auntie Anne's car. Guys, we're back in the car.
Too much.
Pauwi na kami. Wala akong napala. Hindi naman. I get to drop off the kids. So si Ayla kasi okay lang na hindi siya samahan kasi nga they go with the class. Yung iniisip ko kasi si Arlo. Kasi technically hindi naman talaga siya kasali. Kasi yung nasa email is from preschool to year 6. Yun yung nasa email. Ang iniisip ko kasi he goes to the early learning nga. Bilhan ko na din siya. Kasi may access ako sa app na pwede din siyang bilhan. So binilhan ko din siya. Iniisip ko, pag pumunta si Ayla, isabay ko na lang din si Arlo para sabay silang dalawa kumuha, diba? Pag after naming din drop off si Ayla, close pa yung shop, guys. Nasa hall lang kasi siya, tapos parang nag-display lang sila doon ng temporary na shop. I-close pa yung hall. So we have to go. Kasi daddy needs to go to work as well.
I need to put in the toilet.
Okay, when we get home. So yung gagawin ko na lang is i-message ko na lang yung teacher niya na dalawa yung kunin ni Ayla na regalo. Lakas ng ulan, guys.
I'm a big like
We will follow it. Bah! Hi guys! Hindi pa ako naka-vlog, no? Since nakauwi kami, hindi ba? Hindi ko na maalala, guys. Lutang pa din si Mami sa mga bagong pangyayari sa buhay natin. Anyway, pagdating ko ng bahay, galing school, I don't remember if I vlogged. Ano bang ginawa ko? Hindi ko na maalala kung ano. Wala pa akong tigil. Kakagising niya lang. Pakainin natin siya. So, yung ulam niya is, syempre, yung utan. Ito din yung ulam ko kanina. So, kumain na kami ni Arlo. Kami ni Arlo, ito yung ulam namin din. And ang sarap niya, guys. Mas lalo siyang sumarap nung second day na siya. Na, alam mo yun, very lubog na yung sabaw. And si Indy kahapon, si Indy at saka si Ayla actually, nakatatlong balik. Si Ayla, gustong-gusto niya din. So, perfect na perfect talaga ang pagluto natin ng utan. Alright. You ready for this? Yes. Ready? Nag-i-edit ako eh. Nung napatulog ko si Indy finally, I was editing. And also, syempre, tayo ang main caregiver ng ating dudong. So, every time may kailangan siya, kailangan ibigay ni Mami. To be honest, I don't even know kung bakit ako nagpa-vlog. Kasi inisip ko, parang kailangan ko ng adjustment days sa mga bagong pangyayari sa ating buhay. Kasi guys, 6 weeks kaming ganito. 6 weeks na may cast si Arlo. Na-organize ko na yung sa sports niya. Tinawagan ko na sila na he will be out of action for 6 weeks. Ano yung magagawa natin? Kasi yung kay Arlo kasi, hindi siya per class yung bayad. Per term yung bayad sa kanya. So kapag in-enroll mo siya, before mag-start yung term, babayaran mo. So, yung buong term. And kapag may na-miss man siya, for some reason, na-miss niya yung isang Friday, they do offer makeup classes. But then, kasi 6 weeks nga siyang wala. So, I called them, and they were actually really good, and it was really quick. Sinabi ko lang na may fracture ang dudong ko, and he will be out of action for 6 weeks. Ano yung gagawin? Like, do I have to book for like 6 weeks makeup class? Anong gagawin natin? And sabi niya, oh, huwag ka mag-alala. I-credit ko na lang sa'yo yung remaining classes. And then, ikaw na bahala kung kailan mo siya gagamitin whenever he's ready. And pagbaba ko ng phone, nakita ko agad sa account ko na nandun na yung credit ni Arlo na magagamit ko sa next term na. Kasi nga, wala na siya. The whole term 3, pati sa school, nung Tuesday, kasi Monday nilagay yung cast niya, diba? So, nung Tuesday morning, nung hinatid ni Dan si Ayla, pinadaan ko din siya sa teacher ni Arlo. Pinasabihan ko yung teacher na, yun nga si Arlo, out of action. Ganun. Kasi again, hindi siya makaka-attend ng school. The remaining of term 3 na nga. So, para lang hindi mag-alala yung mga teacher, pinasabihan ko kay Dan. Yung kay Arlo naman sa early learning, hindi naman siya kasi gaya ng daycare na kailangan mo siyang i-enroll tapos bayaran mo yung whole term. Hindi siya ganun. Kasi yung sa kanya, booking system. So, if you want him to attend Monday, kailangan mo siyang i-book ng Sunday. Ako, very organized ako, guys. So, Sunday, as soon as mag-open yung booking, naka-alarm na yan sa phone ko, in-enroll ko na siya. So, Sunday morning pa lang, na-enroll ko na siya for Monday. Nangyari nga yung incident nung Sunday ng gabi. So, nabayaran ko na sana yung pang Monday niya. But then, I had to message them on Monday na hindi makaka-attend si Arlo kasi may nangyari sa kanya. And they're good. They refunded me for that day. Hindi naman kailangan yun. I wasn't like expecting for a refund at all. I was just letting them know na hindi siya makakapunta. Kasi nga, binuko na siya and alam na nila na pupunta siya, kaya lang bakit biglang wala siya. Tapos yun, nag-reply sila agad na i-refund ka namin sa binayad mo for today. Sabi ko, ay, ang galing naman, nag-refund pala sila. And then sa swimming naman, yung gagawin namin is as soon as ready na siya and wala na siyang cast, we will put him in twice a week para maka-catch up siya. Yeah, once he's ready, we will book for makeup classes twice a week. So, kapag twice a week, ano na yan? Ano lang, di ba? 3 weeks lang. Makaka-anim na, ano na siya, makaka-anim na class na siya. That's equivalent to 6 weeks na out of action siya. So, yun yung plano namin. But, yeah, it's a long time, guys. 6 weeks is, so 6 weeks starting Monday will be second week hanggang second week of October ata kami, guys. So, birthday ni Indy, meron siyang cast. Buti na lang yung birthday ni Indy, simpulan lang kami ngayon. Oh my gosh, everything happens for a reason lang talaga. As in, this weekend, my gosh. Sabihin ko sana this weekend meron tayong ganap. Lagi naman tayong merong ganap. So, every weekend na meron tayong ganap, meron siya. Yeah. But it's okay. Like today, I went to school and he was just on the pram. But then again, wala ka kanina. So, good luck kapag nandyan ka na. At saka si kuya mo, kayong dalawa sa pram. Kayong dalawa sa pram. Oh my gosh, you did really well. Oh, gone. Oh, finished. Your water. Where's your water? Yung mga ganito sana, mauutusan ko si Arlo kunin yung tubig. Hindi. Kasi he is injured. I'll get your water. You want more? Huh? What do you want? Beautiful man na akong baby lang. Oy. So, nag-e-edit ako. And yung ine-edit ko is yung yung nasa hospital siya. First time ko mapanood ng full yung mga clips na kinuha ni Dan. Ang galing niya kasi nag-vlog talaga siya, guys. Nagkwento pa siya dun. Sabi ko, ang galing naman ng Danny Boy ko. O, hindi yung pa napanood din yung vlog before this vlog. And he was saying first time niyang bumalik ng hospital since pinanganak yung mga bata. And totoo talaga, guys. Yun yung first hospital trip ever. Isla's almost 5 now. And yeah, never pa kaming pumunta ng hospital. Like, clinic, yeah, but hospital, first time yun. You finish? Yeah, I know. What do you want? Do you want fruit? Do you want strawberry? 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 Kiss mama. I love you. Love man ako akong bibilang. Oh my gosh, Indy, look at me. Look at mama. Is this 500 grams?
600.
Okay, wow, dad. That's not much. So, i-prepare ko lang yung dinner, guys. Maya ko nalutuin, i-prepare ko lang siya. Nagpabili ako kay Dan ng 500 grams na chicken thighs. You have a lollipop. That's good. Nah, I'm good. Thank you, guys. I'm not hungry. Thank you. Ano lang to, guys, corn flour, tapos lagyan ko ng salt, pepper, at saka vegetable.
Do you know it's Eli's birthday Saturday party? I forgot all about it.
Oh.
Saturday. Because I was going to gardening at the house. I'm going to drop Isla off at Mum's and she's going to take her gymnastics on Saturday.
Is she?
Yep. So I'll drop her off. I can go to the house. I can do like the garden will only take me like, you know, I'll be there for like 3 or 4 hours and I'll come home and go to Eli's.
What time is Eli's party?
3.
And then Sunday is the lunch, yeah?
Yep. 2 o'clock.
How was school, ate? Really good. That's good. So Ayla, tomorrow you have to remind her teacher that Ayla's gonna pick up 2 presents because I paid for Arlo.
Okay.
So just remind her. Ayla, you're picking up 2 presents tomorrow when you go to the school shop, okay?
I'm going to pick
2. Alright guys, so I got the sauce. Yung kinapi ko pala is Connie Cook's Asian recipe. This is from TikTok. So ginawa ko na yung soy glaze na mixture. It's just soy sauce, oyster sauce, honey, and garlic. So hindi ko kinapi exactly yung recipe niya kasi iba yung recipe niya dito eh. But alam ko na kasi na masarap tong timplang to. So ito yung ginawa ko. Easy. So meron na tayong pan dito. You wanna say hi to the guys? Okay. Hello! It's not cooked yet. Not eating time yet. Say lebele. Do you wanna ask daddy for snack? Say mama. Say mama. Why are you laughing? You say it, mama. Say mama. Not cooked yet. You gotta wait, girl. So, iprito muna to. Tapos, after na siya maprito, iset aside siya. Tapos, ilalagay yung glaze. And then, ibabalik siya para ma-coat siya. Yes. Yes. High five, guys. High five, everyone. High five, everyone. Nice. Sus, kawapa meron na akong India. I go to daddy. Daddy will give you. Daddy, can you give her something to eat, please? Snack. Yan yung kay daddy. Ito yung akin, guys. Magkakamay ako. Yeah. Indy's gonna have some utan again. Ayla's rice and chicken and Alo as well.
Crows are playing tonight. Finals.
Who?
Crows.
Oh, good eating, boys. Say hi, guys. What do you want? Magic water, yeah.
After, you gotta eat some food first. No, I got it. You eat yours. Eat yours, Alex. You didn't even eat your lunch. You gotta eat it all that.
Yummy?
Mommy,
Yes?
I have magic water. I have magic water. Give me magic water.
I will.
You know what I thought, my love?
You
You know what I thought?
No.
They did that. It's not, they showed them do that in Europe, or I think it was Europe or England. Someone on the plane using their hands to eat.
In the plane?
On a train, sorry. On a train.
I don't do that on the train.
Daddy,
It's very gross. That.
I want magic water. Why did I do that?
I'm not sure.
How did you know?
Because they showed it, and I was just going, oh my god.
It's really good, actually, the chicken.
And then,
Listen.
and it looks like if
Ale, more talking, less eating. More eating, less talking, sorry. This is you. Na 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 na.
This is you.
This is me.
This is you on first thing.
Oh,
Very eat.
Good.
No, what did you say before?
I don't know.
Oh, Dad.
Oh, say that properly, please.
Come on, finish your food. The quicker you finish it, the quicker you get to drink your food, your drink. Hurry up.
This one's the heaviest one.
Thank you for helping. Oy! Oy! Kakatapos lang namin maligo, guys, and dumating yung ano ko, delivery ko from mga 8 minutes ago. Man, hindi. So, bumili akong brown rice. Kasi, okay actually sa akin yung brown rice. Akala ko sobrang maninibago ako. Okay sa akin yung brown rice. Tapos naubos na siya, guys. Kasi maliit lang yung binili natin last time, diba? So, I got a 5 kilogram one from Sunrise. And then, nakasale yung napi nila. So, nag-order ako ng dalawa nito actually. Napi pants. Hindi pa namin ito nagagamit. Kasi last grocery ko, bumili ako ng 2 packs nito, diba? Kaya lang, ang dami pa nga naming napis. Kasi kapag nakasale yung napis, nag-stock up ako, guys. So, every time nag-shopping ako online man or in person, chine-check ko talaga yung mga napi. Kasi kapag nakasale, kinukuha ko na. Kasi this is something na we use all the time. So, inuubos pa din namin yung napi niya. Yung stick-on napis lang. So, ito na yung pangatlong bag ko. 2 actually in-order ko, kaya lang, isa lang yung available. Alright, go get it. Go get enough na. So, that's yung napi. It's so cool! And then, bumili ako popcorn. Ay, bumili din pala ako nito. Gusto to ng mga bata. Hindi ko lang siya binibigay lagi, but gusto siya ng mga bata, guys. Pati ni Mr. Bumili nga nito si Dan kahapon eh. Kailan ba nag-grocery si Dan? Yeah, kahapon nag-grocery siya. Tapos nag-order din ako kagabi, kaya ngayon dineliver. Ito gusto kong i-try. Seaweed chips. Naka 2 for something siya. Maliit lang pala siya. But, yeah. Sana masarap. Yes. And then, bumili ako ng, syempre, maraming yogurt, guys. So, tagsa 10 ata itong blue at saka strawberry. 10 blueberry, 5 strawberry. Ayan. Tapos, bumili din ako ng, yung soy crisp. Kasi nga gusto ko siya. Ito yung honey and Dijon na soy crisp. Masarap siya. I got condensed milk. Light yung kinuha ko. Kasi lang sila, guys. Magkasing tamis lang talaga sila. Yung light at saka yung normal. Ito kasi yung ginagamit ko sa ni Arlo. Wheat Bix chocolate balls. And then I ordered this as well. Naka-sale yung coffee. Ubus na yung stock namin ng kape. And then I got cheese. That's it. Magtutupi ako, guys, ng mga damit. Hindi ko siya natupi kahapon. Ay! Yeah, hindi ko siya natupi kahapon. Pero kahapon ng gabi na kasi natapos yung laundry natin. So, tutupiin ko siya. So, meron pa kaming yogurt kasi nga, nagpunta si Dan kahapon kasi sinabi ko sa kanya, bumili ka pero wag mong masyadong damihan kasi may order akong parating. Yeah. Maganda yung online delivery ha. Kaya lang, hindi kasi kami nag-order ng mga gulay, prutas dun sa online. So, kailangan pa din talagang pumunta ng shop. Lalo na kung may maarte kang asawa na gusto talaga like fresh yung bread. Yan, bread, meat, tsaka fruit and veg.